Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a math class for junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic times table of 1 and 2. Our today's topic times table of 1 and 2 and our lecture number 25 and homework 23. Lecture 25, homework 23. So let's start our class. Dear students, look at the board. Times table of 1 and 2. At first we are going to learn times table of 1. Okay. 1 0 is 0. If we multiply 0 with any numbers, our answer will be 0. And 1 is 1 equal to 1. 1 times 2 are 2. 1 times 3 are 3. 1 times 4 are 4. 1 times 1 times 5 are 5. 1 times 6 are 6. 1 times 7 are 7. 1 times 8 are 8. 1 times 9 are 9. 1 times 10 are 10. So I repeat 1 0 is 0. 1 times is 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6 are 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 8 are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. Now we are going to learn times table of 2. 2 0 is 0. Okay. 2 1s is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 zeros is 0. 2 1s is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So dear learner, your homework will be times table of 1 and 2 and submission date 29th May 2021 and on Saturday 9 am to 3 pm. So hope you understood today's class. Practice yourself. Practice at your home properly. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.